All right, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Welcome back to another live stream of the Crypto Remora. It is Monday morning. We do our live streams Monday morning and Thursday evening. Thank you guys for being here. We have Crypto Holmes in the house. We got GMB in the house, and we are gonna have some fun today, man. What's Siri? What's going on, brother?
Chilling, man. Good to see you guys in the chat, keeping it real, holding it the fuck down, waiting for us to get our shit together. Love seeing y'all in here in the chat, just kind of waiting on us, and excited to talk, man. We got a lot to talk about, dude. So much happened. I mean, damn, so much happened even in the last 3 days, bro.
Yeah.
So we got a lot to talk about. There's no doubt.
That there is, man. Crypto Home. It was weird. I thought live stream was 7 p.m. So Thursday is 7 p.m. Crypto Homes. Thursday is 7 p.m. Monday is 12:08 today. But yeah, 12 o'clock on Mondays and 7 p.m. on Thursdays. Eastern Standard Time. EST. So yeah, a lot to talk about, man. We're gonna look at some charts, dude. We got a little pump on Bitcoin, man. Things are looking good. A lot of regulatory stuff going on that we're gonna take a look at, and yeah, and any kind of altcoins or anything you guys want us to look at, any meme coins, shit coins, let us know. We'll take a look at them, and yeah, we'll have some fun, man.
All right, just real quick announcement. NPC just broke 3 cents as we are talking, as we are streaming, just cracked 3 cents.
Oh, dude, let's fucking go.
So that thing is running. We got Node AI up at $1.12. Hashflow making a comeback from 17 cents up to 22 cents. Good little pump on some alts here. Memecoins still at $6.50. I don't know if you've seen that one, the original one on ETH. That one's still kind of sideways. GMX getting a nice little pump up to 33. Arbitrum just holding it down at 77 cents. DMT back into triple digits, bro. $114 DMT right now. Real quick, did you claim our airdrop? Because we should have gotten something.
I have not claimed anything, dude. I haven't claimed anything.
Didn't we do a stream or two on? We set it up and we might not have swapped DMT on the Crypto Remora one. I could check that later. I could check. See, I got my airdrop.
I only streamed like 3 times from there, dude. From the crypto
airdrop was all right from Sierra Crypto, man. I didn't kill it. I made okay, but I think it was like $130 or something.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't looked, man. So I'll probably do that afterwards, after we jump off here.
But alt's looking good, bro. So alts are looking good. I know we got some news to talk about before we jump into price charts and meme coins and stuff. But did you see Elon, bro? Elon with the laser eyes again?
Yeah.
Landon in Nashville.
Yeah.
So the rumors of him coming to Bitcoin conference. Let's hope we don't get a dump on this conference, bro. The last 3 years, every time we had a Bitcoin conference, we got a shitty dump. And I really hope that doesn't happen this year. It's like with all the hype with Trump and Elon and all this stuff, it's like if these guys are just doing that to, like, you know, get a little quick liquidity real quick, pay for their tickets to go to the conference, and then they just dump us.
Yeah.
I'm going to be pissed, bro, because it's like this is not when you do that. This is when you try to push it forward, man.
Right.
So I'm hoping we don't get a three-peat of the last three conferences.
Have you looked at the cycle from the last time, not last year's conference, but the 2020 conference, like to see kind of what happened?
I just remember it. I haven't looked at it recently, but I remember it seems like every time we had one, we just had a shitty, like, sideways or downward movement. I could be wrong, though. I haven't looked at it.
I'm wondering, is it the same date every year? Like, is it the 22nd?
That's a good question, bro. That's a good.
Let's see.
It's like just yesterday they were talking about Bitcoin Nashville. Like, I remember the last one, it was in Miami, and they're like, oh, next year's going to be Nashville. That felt like freaking 3 months ago, man. A whole year went by like
yeah.
that,
So
bro.
4 years ago on July, we got a massive, pretty nice little candle right there, man. If it's the same date, July was a bullish month. 4 years ago, July 2020. So if it was the same date, dude,
No, not every 4 years. They do the conference every year.
But what I'm saying, at this time in the cycle. You know what I mean?
Let me check. Yeah. Miami Bitcoin conference date. I don't think it's the same date every year.
No.
I don't think so.
Let's see.
Pretty sure it's not. But this thing, it still feels like the last 3 conferences they had. I don't know. I remember my bags looking like shit during the conference. So I made a mental note of that said, yeah, I'm not believing the hype on the conferences anymore.
Or whenever, dude, we're gonna have a presidential elect, speaking, and now there's talks of Elon speaking. Like, I don't know, man. That's a little different, I think. That is a little different.
This says May 18th through the 20th, 2023.
May.
So yeah, and this one says July 25th through 27th. That was 2024. Bitcoin Day Miami was May 11th, 2024. So they changed the dates up. It looks like one's in May, one's in July. Yeah, so I don't think they keep it the same date every year, but
gotcha.
Another thing is Michael Saylor, bro. Whenever Michael Saylor announces he bought more Bitcoin, usually that's we get a little mini dump too. That's just little stuff to pay attention to. But overall, I know what you're saying. The sentiment is good. I still have my guard up, though. I still have my guard up because if we drop below 72 again, if we don't get past 72, like with steam and gusto, we're probably going to come back down one more time, which is okay. It's not the end of the world, but I mean, I'm just saying that if we don't break through 72 soon, and the conference is this week, and all the ETF is this week, I just have my guard up for one more dip, which is fine, dude, because that gives us one more chance to scoop, and then we know where we're going. We know we're going above 72, so it's not like I'm doubting it. I have my guard up a little bit. I'm being a little defensive, but hopefully not. Hopefully we do get a crazy moon. Elon shows up, and hopefully it just goes nuts. I mean, that would be great.
Yeah. So ETH, man, happy birthday to Ethereum. Ethereum's birthday today, man. Did you know that?
Yeah, I saw a post on that too. How many years old? 2008, 17, right?
Yeah.
I think 2017 is when the ERC20 came out. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Damn, dude. It's like almost 7 years old.
Bro, I didn't want to do
my
it.
little
I'm glad you did it.
Up. I like my little ETH is growing up, man.
Bro, I'm glad you did the finger count because I didn't want to do it. But you did it, man.
I still do the finger count. I don't
Let's go, dude. Let's
do it.
Go. Yeah, dude. ETH's birthday.
673, bro. 3,400. Did you see me post that tweet of going long with 54x leverage? At resistance?
Christ, no.
Because I might talk shit about these dips coming, but dude, I am a perma-bull, and I am positively wanting to push. Like, I wish we could just snap our fingers, get everybody in the chat, everybody on Twitter, say fuck it, everybody buy $1 worth of Bitcoin at this time on this day, and let's see what happens. Like they did with GameStop, you know what I mean, with the power of social media and shit. I'd love to see someone put that shit together. Like someone should do that straight up. Like, look, get everybody, all the crypto influencers to be like, all right, 12 o'clock on this day, everybody hit the buy button.
You got to think about people taking profits and shit too, though, man. There's always going to be those people that want to take those profits after so long. And then it's like, it's almost like the importance of that would be the sell pressure, like trying to, arrange the selling. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, someone's like on the other side, like, come on, let's sell out. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, like, all right, so at this point, we're all going to sell, but then you have everybody selling way before that because it would just crash. Yeah, it would be nice, though. It would be nice. You ever see those
crypto homes?
Dumpers? Go ahead, man.
Yeah, pump and dumpers on Dogecoin.
They'll be like,
you go ahead, buy it, man. Go ahead, buy it. We're getting in till 10 cents. We're gonna push it to 10, and he's unloading all his shit on the other screen. So crypto homes. I'm glad you said this. Trump could announce Bitcoin will be used as strategic asset for U.S. when he becomes president. Let me explain something about that with the crypto. Remora, ladies and gentlemen, we were 62 bricks, the bricks episode. You can go back and watch it. Me and Wes both were talking about this. We said it's a possibility that they could back the US dollar with Bitcoin. We were the first ones on social that I heard talking about it. That was over 7 months ago when Bitcoin was down at like $17,000.
Yeah.
We were talking about this. and nobody really chimed in on it. Now you hear everybody talking about it. So, yeah, we were all over this shit. Is it going to happen? I don't know. What are your thoughts, Wes? My thoughts are, I think it could be a percentage. You know, like I don't see Trump saying we're going back to dollar buy Bitcoin. I see at the most them doing a percentage of it, like a strategic basket of assets to help the dollar come back strong. What do you think? Do you think that's even on the table still?
For sure. I mean, yeah, eventually, you know what I mean? I just don't think it's going to happen anytime soon, dude. Like they'll, you know what I mean? I don't know, man. I don't know. I got mixed feelings about it, but Trump's already got our vote, dude. He's already got the people's vote, right? He's already got the people that are in crypto. He's got the vote. That's a done deal, pretty much.
Yeah, I believe so.
You know what I mean? So this could just be more hype. I mean, I don't know, until it comes out of his mouth that he's going to do it and not just think about doing it, then I'll start, you know, paying more attention to it. But I did have a clip on that in the Remora Alpha. Where did I put that? Oh, right here. So let me share this real quick since we're on the topic.
Diogo's in the house too. What's up, Diogo?
Diogo! All right.
Do you think?
And so, yeah, he's going to speak very positively about Bitcoin here at the conference.
Do you think that these favorable comments could go so far as to indicate that he'd be open to it being a reserve currency for the U.S.?
Yeah, so there were some rumblings of that on X this week. It could be something that's very difficult to get done, but it is possible. The Justice Department holds about 200,000 units of Bitcoin. So the United States is the largest holder of Bitcoin. And so they could easily just move that over to the
I don't know why I keep stopping.
Department of Treasury and start right there and have 13 billion worth of Bitcoin on the balance sheet. So it is a possible move. It just could be tough to get done. But what happens is the Justice Department, in holding these units of Bitcoin, they've been a random seller in the space. And so if they move from being a random seller at times, which could push the price of Bitcoin down, over to being a long-term hodler, well, that could be really good for the space and push prices up.
Oh, for sure.
And so,
yeah, so I don't know, man. Like, we'll see, man.
U.S. government's too damn paper-handed for that
but
shit
you know
right
what?
now.
For CNBC to be talking about this, and I mean, everything is just fundamentally, like, everything is just so bullish right now, man. So bullish.
Yeah, things are definitely looking good. I mean, from a sentiment perspective, I mean, total global market cap has been holding above the 2.5 level. I think we did get that bounce. We're bouncing off it right now, 2.563. That was what I was wanting to see for the strength of the overall market, and we are getting that bounce, thank God, because as long as we hold above 2.5, that's a psychological level for Wall Street, I believe. And as long as we hold that level, that means that's the amount of money that's staying in crypto, not moving out and going to real estate or freaking going back to MicroStrategy or going back to all these freaking blockchains on Robinhood and shit. Like, it's money actually staying in the space. So that's a good indicator to see. That's some more good news. But yeah, what else you got for us on some charts? Do you want to dig into some Bitcoin chart? You want to kind of save the TA for the end?
We can we can go ahead and do it, man. We can go ahead and do it.
All right, we got I'm gonna let you pull that up on my end. I'm gonna try to jump on some Camelot to pull up the pools after we look at Bitcoin.
Okay.
See where we're at there.
I was trying to look at some crypto quant, man. I know there's a chart I wanted to take a look at, but I thought I bookmarked it. But I didn't, of course. Of course. All right, I'm just pulling it up. Just pulling it up. Oh.
Saw some interesting comments by Kook this morning about
Yeah.
runes, and then he was also talking about Solana being the only one that's going to really onboard normies. Which check my bio on Twitter. Since 2020, I've been calling that shit. So it's good to see Kook, a bigger influencer, starting to say that, because people are realizing, yep, even though I'm bitter with the Solana meme coins, they will freaking produce, because the normies, they're not going to want to use bridges and all this bullshit. If they say, no, check out this meme coins on Solana, someone will say, well, how do you do it? Download Phantom, go to whatever Jupiter, and then boom. Like, it's fairly the quickest, easiest blockchain to use. So that being said, you think I'm too late to buy some Cook just for the cause? I mean, I ain't expecting to make a big move on it or nothing, but I see Shred shilling the F out of it.
Who? What? Cook?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, 100%, dude.
Let them cook. You
I'm
think I
buying,
should buy?
dude. I'm buying the dips. I am buying the dips.
So you're still buying? You don't think
Yes.
it's too late for that one?
Nah, dude. Hell no. It's so I'm in a group chat with all of them on X, and these guys aren't selling, man. They're not selling, dude. Not right now. Not until it goes, above 50 million or 100. Like they're holding tight. So yeah, dude, I'm loading up when I can. Like every time it dips, I'm buying, anywhere from 0.5 to 1 Solana. And I've actually taken profits on these pumps, dude. So I'm kind of like recycling, as you should, recycling the top sells and buying on the dips. And so far, man, it's worked out really well. Yeah, I don't think it's too late at all, man. Honestly. Still with me?
Yeah. I was gonna say I don't know. You didn't claim the airdrop to see if we even got anything. My lesser used channel got a little bit, not much.
Yeah, I mean, dude, I only streamed maybe 3, maybe 4 times from the Crypto Remora. I don't know if you streamed from it or not, but I mean, I don't know. Whatever 3 or 4 streams will get you.
Holy shit, dude!
Wow.
Are you still pulling something up? Because I got this. I want to pull this up real quick.
Go ahead, man.
I want to pull this up, y'all. We said so. We're doing an update on this while Wes is getting his screen loaded. I'm going to show you guys. This is what the DMT Sanko Camelot position has earned, bro. Look at this shit. $9.79 in a week. Because I cleared that out. $100.
Damn, dude. 10% return on a week.
So that's what I'm saying. Well, it's actually, they say estimated APR is 258% for the year or whatever. But just chilling in a sideways ass market. But now you got to think the price went up from the token. So right now, when this is up like this, and we just got that nice pump up, this is generally speaking when, if you are bullish on something and you just got a big move, this is when I would at least, harvest my rewards. I put them, secure my rewards. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Excuse me. But also keep in mind, if you're in a liquidity pool like this, you can always pull your liquidity out. When the market pumps like this, you can pull your tokens out. And if you need to, or if you're bullish on something else, or if another coin you like is down, this is the best time to do that. So me personally, I'm going to let this cook. So I'm not going to mess with it, but I am going to harvest my rewards, put them in my wallet, and clear it out, bro. Because look, next week we'll check this again with the same $100. We'll see what it earns next week. So that's on Sanko. That's not even on Arbitrum. That's on the freaking Sanko chain.
Let's go.
So that's pretty sweet. You love to see that. That's DMT gold position on Camelot. If you guys haven't used Camelot, head over there, do it. You make a couple swaps, get your feet wet, add some liquidity. You're basically just staking both sides of a pair. Very easy to do. Very, very cool, laid back way to earn some yield, stress free. And it also keeps you from doing 54x leverage trades. So, yeah, that's pretty good. But Wes, you got your chart?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I love reading these comments from these guys, man. It's so much more fun. Like, it brings a whole nother element to the show, and I just love it. Love it.
Yeah, no, we've been dying for this, dude. We've been dying to get some activity in here.
All right, so let's start off with the daily. Let's just kind of recap like what happened ever since. Oh, let me get it up first. All right, so let's recap what happened since the last time we streamed. The last time that we streamed, we were right here. This is on a Thursday, right? We went all the way up to 66-ish and dropped back down, put a bearish candle in, and then we had this indecisive candle. And what I was thinking was, being that all right. So what I was thinking was on this move was that if we didn't hold, come on, low, dude. All right. So if we didn't,
at the bottom real quick. All right, there we go. All right.
All right. So what I was looking at was right here. If we didn't hold this level, 0.5, then I was saying that we were going to come back down and retest this the top part of this box, which is about 60,000, maybe a little bit on top, just to kind of fake the traders out. We bounced off of it, dude. We bounced off of that 0.15, and then we moved up. Now we're sitting at about 67K. Where did we get up to? About 68,000, 68.5. And now we're having a nice little retracement, dude. This shit looks healthy. Like, this move looks healthy. And I feel good about it. Lux Algo still has a buy signal right here. The catcher, the trend catcher right here, still blue. I want to see the trend tracer turn green, though, and then I'll be all the fuck in. But that's on the daily, man. We got targets of about 69, and then that second target is going to be above that order block at about 72, which would kind of retest that all-time high. But nevertheless, dude, I think we look really good on this. Another thing that I've noticed and why we're kind of holding up where we are right now is our favorite little tool here that I always forget to look at. Always forget to look at this. But, okay, I got to move something. Sorry. Give me a second. Anyway, it's a high volume area right here. And I just want to show you, dude. It's like fucking perfectly on this level that we're at. And we visited this one before too, Siri, right? That big volume
huge bar. Yep.
Yep, that big volume gap. And then you see that next one down was right where we held up. So that is significant in my eyes, man. Like, if this level, the second highest volume bar right here held up, then
this one should, dude. This should, bro.
It should hold up, man. It should. Another thing that I've kind of been paying attention to, so I do think this level holds up. If we
all right, that chart right there. You see those stair steps right where you got your screen on that big bar? If we bounce, and literally right now on stream, that red candle is touching this bar right now. So we might get this confirmation on stream this morning. Yeah, that red candle is trying to hold that level, dude. We've got nothing but blue skies ahead. If we get above that, we may have enough to get through that 72, man. That would be nice.
Yep. So that's the daily. I do think we could possibly retrace at least a little bit more. I don't know, man. I just don't think that, again, the targets are up here, but on the shorter time frames, we are getting some bearish divergence on the 4-hour and on the 2-hour. Maybe that was just this move right here, right? Yeah. Maybe that was just this retest right here, and we continue moving up, like Lux Algo was saying. But it does look like momentum still pushing green. We have the money flow, the smart money flow chart still pushing up. So I do think, man, like, we have a high chance. If we bounce here, guys, if we bounce here, then yeah, I would go ahead and take that target at least up to the previous all-time high, which is, 72, which is the top of this right here, which is a high value area. This is where a lot of people are going to be selling, or, looking for a breakthrough to bounce off of it. A lot of people are going to be watching that. But right now, this volume bar is about 50-50, man. 50-50 on buying and selling from from the history of price action. So it's about 50-50. So I'm watching this, man. If this holds up right here and we get a nice little bounce, then yeah, go long, go for those targets, at least to the middle of that order block, around 72,000. Switching to the 4-hour. This is the where's my RSI? Hold on. Okay, switching to the 4-hour, man. The MACD just crossed bearish, so we did fly. We did go up under that. Money flow on the 4-hour is starting to pull back a little bit. Momentum starting to pull back. So that's another reason why I think that we could possibly get a little bit more of a retracement. And at least to the stop loss order, right? 65K. Remember last time we were talking, I said, dude, 65K needs to hold up. If we get through 65K, bounce on it, and then push past it, then like I'm bullish, dude. We're going to 72K. I just think that maybe it needs to retest it one more time, dude. On the lower time frames, right? So if we can come up almost like this did, you know what I mean? Just come up, retest it a little bit more, maybe. Yeah, you know, we'll see. But that's kind of what I'm expecting, man. Especially with the MACD just flipping, and this all this is just kind of mixed signals right here. I'm not getting anything that's like needs crazy attention. So yeah, high volume area where we're sitting at right now, maybe a retest of 65. If we bounce off of where we're at right now, which is likely, I mean, it could happen, then I would long up to 68 first target, and then 71, 72 on the next.
I see a nice falling wedge building up right there too, like literally right now. That looks like a pretty sharp. It's not as sharp as I'd like it to be, but that's fairly coiled up, fairly arrowed down right there on your red candles coming down.
Yeah.
And you said this is what, the 4 hour? This one?
This is the 4 hour, yeah. This is the 4 hour.
So if you've got even a remote falling wedge every 4 hours building up, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles to form it. And then you've got that huge volume bar. I don't know, man. This thing could freaking hold, Wes. This thing,
it absolutely could. Absolutely.
This thing could hold.
If we don't hold up this high volume area where we're sitting at now, then look to retest 65.
Absolutely.
If we bounce hard off of 65, long the fucking shit out of it. But as of right now, I'm looking to see if this holds up, right?
So right now, what you're saying to me is about 47x leverage would be a good thing to do.
No.
No stop losses, no trailing stop loss. Fuck it. Let's go.
Especially with all this, the momentum wave pushing down, the money flow starting to push down, the MACD just flipped bearish. I mean, yeah, I think we could probably retest that 65 if we don't hold up this high volume area on the 4 hour.
Too late. Already have a 54x leverage open. Let's go. Let's just let it play out, dude. I posted it this morning on Twitter. I was like, you know what? F it. Every now and then, I got to try my revenge trade. And we'll see, dude. I mean, I pulled $4 profit off that last trade. I used higher liquidity and lower leverage. And I was like, wow, I made $4.
Yeah, you made some money, though.
Made $4.
Better than losing it, right?
It's better than losing it, but come on, man.
Better than losing it.
That's true. That's true.
All right, so we're switching to the weekly here, man. I love that this blue box held up. We came up, we retested the top of it, so everything looks fucking healthy, right? We look healthy on it. On the weekly chart, looking at Lux Algo, we are again. We had this MACD flip up under it, but I think this is healthy. I do think that, as you can see, the MACD is starting to kind of cross back over. The momentum wave and the money flow is starting to cross back over. So I do think that on a weekly time frame that this could be, you know what I mean? Like this, we should close where we're at now, if not above it, and move into these higher targets, which on the weekly Lux Algo has given us 73,000 or 74,000. And then above that is going to be 81.3. So we're still good, man, on higher time frames as well. You know what I mean? I think with the oscillator matrix right here flipping, we got the green dot. It's starting to push back up. It'll take a little bit of time for this, MACD to flip back over, but that time will allow the 4 hour and the 1 day, you know what I mean? Like chart to reset and refocus. Long-term bullish, very short-term, possibly a pullback to 60, 65 and retest 65. So keeping an eye on that for sure.
Yeah, that looks good. Maybe let's we know the ETH ETF is coming this week. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. What time frame is this? That's a nice bull flag, buddy. Time frame is that?
Damn, cuz you sound like you out of damn.
That's a nice bull flag right there. Like, damn, girl. Look at that bull flag, boy. Woo!
Yeah. All right, so this is the hide your kids, hide your wife, folks. All right, so this is the monthly chart. This is important to look
Well,
at.
that's for the month. Let's go, dude.
This is for the month, man. So
It's coming, bro. It's coming. That's a bull flag shape. I haven't seen a good bull flag like that since like 2020, bro.
well,
For
something
real.
else we were talking about series is fucking
Cup and handle.
huge ass cup and handle. Dude.
Holy shit.
Right. So yeah, dude. So the targets are
That's
on
looking
point.
good. That's
Look at
looking
this bullish
good.
candle, man. That big ass boost. What do they call
Yeah.
this right here?
A shooting star, isn't it?
A doji can? No, is it shooting star? Either way, man, that's a fucking bullish candle on the monthly.
Way bullish. But that puts us, look at that pattern. All right, let's say you're following the cup and handle, right? You're almost at the end of that pattern. Let's say you're just looking at the bull flag. You're almost at the end of that pattern. So by the estimates of time, you're talking into next month and the next month after that. So less than 2 month period, finally having a breakout of this massive cup and handle. Let's just call it a cup and handle for now, right? That price target, I believe, is 83,000 to the upside. What we've been saying for a while, right? That cup and handle.
There's some targets to the upside for 83. I believe this one gave us a $90,000 target.
Okay, I was gonna say 96. Let's go, but probably getting a little ahead of myself. But either way, dude, that breaks us above our 72K with strength. Let's say we go to 83, then come back down to 72. Get that bounce off of 72 finally and flip it into support. I mean, that's more than likely what's going to happen, man.
I'll tell you, man, the monthly looks so fucking good to me, dude, because look, we have the catcher right here is in the blue. We have the buy signal here. We have our green trend tracer. We have our targets above the all-time high. MACD is bullish. The fucking oscillator is bullish, dude. Money flow is green. It would still plenty of room to move up, and a lot of confluence here, man. And I'm really bullish on the higher time frames, man. Like we should be, you know what I mean? So yeah.
You got one more candle to finish that pattern out, max. It looks like to me. I mean, to finish out that bull pennant and that cup and handle, you got maybe 1 to 2 months. Which, where are we at now? What month? I don't even know what month it is. We're in
July. It's like the end of July or July 22nd.
So let's call it August 1st, right? August. Where does that put us? September, October. Which, what have we been saying? October, November, December. So that everything is lining up, bro. The monthly charts are lining up. The Bitcoin conference for once is lining up to be actually bullish and actually do something good for the space, rather than just a bunch of hodlers sitting around, saying how great Bitcoin is, which, that's great. But, you're charging $2,000 a freaking ticket. Ain't nobody that's out here trying to accumulate going to spend $2,000. You shouldn't even ask them that much money to spend to come to the damn conference. I get it. You got to pay for it. You got good speakers, but you're trying to onboard. I guess they're trying to onboard the bigger people with these Bitcoin conferences. They're not really trying to onboard the little guy, because why the hell would you waste $2,000 on a ticket when you should be accumulating? You should be buying Bitcoin with that money instead. That being said, I'm not knocking it. I'm just saying it's actually a good thing to see. I want to see them do something good for the price as well.
So
what you got?
I just realized on the daily, man, we've already retested that 65 level. We pushed through it. 65 is right here.
Already bounced on.
We already retested it. Maybe we retest it again. You know what I mean? But I think overall, man, it's looking good, man, with some great targets. Everything's looking bullish. On the lower time frames, maybe a little bit more of a pullback, but we could have already filled that out. So if we can bounce here, man, look for some longs. I'd be looking to take some longs for sure. Oh, but another thing, man, is like this corrective wave as well, right? So, I've been trying to get better at trading and studying, these different patterns and how to use it and stuff. Like I still have a long way to go, but I do want to point out this right here. So usually these corrective waves, holy shit, what did I just do? Okay. So usually these corrective waves go in three waves, right? We had our Elliott wave. Yeah, our Elliott wave kind of played out here, and then usually after that, we'll tend to have a correction wave. And look, dude, I'm not even going to put it on the chart, but we have our 1, 2, 3, bounce. So I think that is significant too, man. Like it is that time in the cycle that we start going fucking parabolic, man. Fucking parabolic. But we have to get above, stay above 65 and get above 70, 72. That's previous all-time high, and stay above it. Retest off to the fucking moon, dude.
So
I'm bullish.
That goes back to, because all the charts, we're not going to argue it. We're on the same page. The charts look fantastic, y'all. Like the charts are telling us, I mean, what you got to the downside, $1,000 loss. Okay, big freaking whoop. What you got to the upside, heading to 72, right? So here's the thing: risk to reward ratio. What you going to place your bets on? If you place your bets on going down, other than that $42,000 level, which is, I ain't even going to say, I'm not going to say that level again, but I'm just going to say I still see it. But other than that level way down there with a wick of a panic World War III, whatever, which I'm not going to call a black swan event no more, because I think we've had too many of them. But what I'm saying, other than that big terror level down there, you got nothing else other than the 52 and then the 60, whatever. That's on the huge time frame, not the daily. But all the other charts for right now are lining up, pushing us bullish. You got the ETH ETF, which you remember it was last time with the ETF with Bitcoin. It sold a lot, but the price action was kind of blasé. It was kind of boring.
Yeah.
So reverse psychology for a moment. Are these cats trying to not buy the rumor, sell the news? In other words, are they doing the opposite right now? Like, are they trying to say, oh, you think psychologically the market makers right now are just trying to fake everyone into thinking that we're not going to get this pump today for the ETF? In other words, are they trying to play us, like, and keep us a little bit on the bearish side while they're scooping? In other words, do you think that BlackRock and Fidelity and all these bigwigs right now, do you think they're kind of like keeping it calm, and then on the ETF we actually get that move where it's like, instead of buy the rumor, sell the news, we actually get a pump?
Yeah. So
because
go ahead.
I was just gonna say, because it feels like they're trying to play us right now. Like, it feels like they want people sidelined a little bit. Yeah, you can almost taste the bull run. You damn right.
Yeah.
You can feel it. You can feel the anxiety and the pressure building up. That's what I'm saying. Is this going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news? Like, in other words, you think they're going to dump it on the ETF day? Or do you think this will be the time when it's like, damn, I should have bought more. Damn, I should have had more.
I think everybody thinks that it's gonna dump. So, all right, I'm trying to remember exactly what I said about Bitcoin, but I know I called the shit out of it, and I can't remember. It was building up. Bitcoin was pumping all the way up until the ETF went live. Then it dropped a little. I saw that.
Damn right, GMB. Damn right.
We had a little fake out to the downside, and then we just kept fucking trucking, dude. And I think that the fact that they're offering their clients this product, they don't want their clients to lose money. They want their clients to make money. It solidifies their fucking, their reputation, and this is what they want to do. Their clients make money, they make money. So I don't know, man. I don't think that any of the ETF applicants are looking to dump on their clients. Was that the question? Did I answer?
Not that they're going to dump, but in other words, they're actually, because the last time the Bitcoin ETF, they had everyone all hyped up. Let's hype them. Let's hype them. And then they freaking dumped on everybody's head. Like the price didn't do shit.
That, dude. Bitcoin pumped, dude. Because I remember we were like, the ETFs, it's because of the ETFs.
Yeah.
They pumped
pre-ETF, but the day of, there wasn't shit. The day of and like the days after, there wasn't shit. Like all the pumpage came on the front end.
When did the ETF go live?
I don't remember the exact date. So I know it was a couple months ago.
So we were talking about this on one of our episodes, and like from January, the beginning of the year, Bitcoin went from 17,000 all the way up to the 50s, and I think it went live. It was 50 something thousand when it finally went live. So like, remember talking about how they were OTC buying Bitcoin from 17K to 50 something K when the ETF went live. They were set. So like, I
Yeah,
don't
they
know,
were
man.
already set.
It's
So that's
they
what
were
I'm
already
asking. Are they going to do that right? In other words, have they already accumulated, right? And when the ETF for ETH goes live, it's just going to be like nothing burger. Like we're still at 68,000. We're still at $3,400 ETH. Or is it going to be they're accumulating, and then all of a sudden ETF goes live, and for one of the first times, you get after that announcement, you get this massive God candle where we go up to 4,000, $4,200 ETH. That's what I'm asking, because it feels like to me, if there was ever a time to have a pump after an ETF, it looks like this would be the time where they announce the ETH ETF and then we get a God candle and people are like, oh my God, like that would be awesome. I'm trying to think positively, because that would be so good for Solana. That would be so good for Polkadot. That would be good for Cardano, XRP, any coin you hold. If that happens, any coin you hold is going to be like throwing a dart at the dartboard blindfolded. You're going to make money. Like,
yeah.
everyone is going to make money if that happens. And I'm hoping it does, bro, because we need some upside, man, with that whole FTX shit we dealt with, Tom Brady shilling bullshit, Sam Bankman, COVID. We've been getting dogged for the last 4 years, y'all. Like, crypto would have already been past 100K. In my opinion, we would have already been well past 100K if we didn't deal with all this bullshit the last 4 years.
Oh, of course.
So with all the bullshit, something's got to balance out, right? Something's got to give. So I don't know, man. This could be the week where we finally do get above that damn 72K and do it with authority. Like, we need it.
Yeah, there was a fucking newsletter or something that I wrote. I think it was from Bloomberg. Like, they came out and said, with all the money that's going into these ETFs, or that they have planned to go into these ETFs, that Ethereum should be above 4,000 by the end of the week or two. I can't remember exactly. I'm quote unquote, but like, I don't know, man. We'll see. The fact that they said that, though, it kind of seems a little bearish. But like, I don't know, man. I think it's good for price in the short term.
Crypto Holmes just said Bloomberg announced the ETH ETF start tomorrow.
Yep.
So Bloomberg jumping on the bandwagon.
Maybe this is the pullback. The little fake out. Maybe this is the fake out. We could come down and retest that. Can you see this?
That next huge level underneath. Well, you're already hitting that.
So this is that's a high value area. That little blue line.
Right no, here. I was saying the yellow one above that. We already broke down below that huge volume.
Oh yeah, this right here. Yeah, we couldn't get above it, man. We couldn't get above it. And then we have this other one right here that we're kind of chilling at too.
What is that level right there? I can't really see that. Yeah, what is that level?
That is 3432. So we're like,
so that ain't even that ain't too low. That's 3,400.
If we lose that, then it would make sense to come back and retest this downward resistance on Ethereum that we finally broke out of. There's that volume gap, and it would land perfectly with that high value discounted area is what they call it.
And my long would be fucked.
And your long would be fucked.
My long would be fucked. Oh, halfway down there, my long would be fucked.
But
I don't even care. I'll take one for the team, y'all. I'll take it for the team.
Yeah, but I mean, both Bitcoin and Ethereum are both in like these positions where they got to figure out what the hell they're going to do. If we break above this, retest long. If we get rejected, short. I mean,
short the hell out of it.
At least on a swing trade, man, or like a snipe.
Yeah.
You know what
I don't see that lasting very long though, because the time frame of that first wave down, and then you had that pump, and then you had that second wave down. You see how they infinitely get smaller? Like, in other words, that first move is huge. Second move is a lot smaller. Third move is going to be even smaller. So
that the volume right here is based on this time, like this zone right here.
Right.
So that's why it's small right here, because there's no trading right here. But if you push it back all the way.
No, I wasn't saying that. I was saying the actual size of the move. See how big that first wedge is, right? On the actual candles. Just how any chart moves. It just, it's bigger and then it gets smaller and coils up. You're not going to have 2 or 3 months. Like from that first downward trend was one from from February to freaking May. The next one is from, May to August. The next move, let's say it did a three-peat of the exact same two moves. It's not going to be longer than that. It'll be shorter than that. So what I was saying is you're getting so tight that even if it copied that first flag up, second flag up, your third flag up is only going to be 2 months at the most, whereas the first move was almost 4 or 5 months. Second one was 3 months. This one will be 2 months. So everything keeps lining up to where August, September, October. So yeah, dude, I don't know. Between now and October could we see that retrace? Possible. Maybe we get the ETF, we get a huge pump, and then the market makers say, you know what, go ahead, dump it now that everyone, they made money on the way up, dump it one more time, then go into October, like with everyone freaked out and everyone's going to say, that's it, that was the run. And all of a sudden October comes and you start grinding your way up and then boom. So those are my three scenarios. That's the only thing that can happen, up, down, or sideways. But basically, I'm still looking for October to be our end of the year rally strength. Let's go up towards 100K, up towards 83, all that stuff. I think it still could be that. But in the meantime, could we get a short-term pump through this conference? I mean, look, if Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Vivek Ramaswamy, and all the people at this freaking Bitcoin, if they can't make something pump, then it ain't ready to pump yet anyway. So, I mean, what else you going to do?
Right.
There is no other news you could say at this point to make Bitcoin go up. It's almost just like you have to let it play out with the price action.
I just wanted to see the targets Lux Algo is given real quick on Ethereum. So yeah, that's kind of where we were talking about here. And I mean, we had this continuation pattern here, and that would line up perfectly. So first target, if Ethereum, for those that are trading, first target on the daily, if Ethereum holds where it's at right now, that high volume area, and it bounces off that, then look to long all the way to 36.55. Second target, 44,050. But yeah, we have two blocks we got to bust through, and then we're not out of the woodwork on that high volume level either, man. So we'll see. If we lose it, then yeah, short to that previous downtrending resistance area, right? And then our last hope is this blue box to hold up.
Solana's looking good too, man. I think I'm about to damn, where's Solana's price at? Because I know Crypto Homes wanted us to give some price targets for Solana.
I would okay, so for Solana, let me see, make sure I'm on the right here. All right, so Solana's under a buy right now. First target is going to be 200. Second target is going to be 215 on a long. Money flows green, momentum's positive. We did get a green dot, so possible cool off to maybe like 168. That's that stop loss area right there. So that's a significant level. But I mean, dude, the catcher, the tracer, both bullish. MACD bullish, the oscillator's bullish. Solana looks good, man. It looks really good. Hell, I might go long on Solana right now.
What is the actual price again right now currently for Solana? Where are we at exactly?
It's 179.21.
Damn, okay. All right.
Yeah. Right there at the bottom left, right above me.
Yeah, I'm trying to look and see. I pulled my stuff out of MarginFi, which we'll probably get that airdrop in 2028. But MarginFi, I'm still racking up some points on there. Just I didn't realize I had like $50 sitting over there chilling still. So I pulled that out and I went back into shit, I don't even remember what I was getting ready to no, I didn't. I was getting ready to go back into Keith, Invisible Cat. But can you send put the contract for Cook up on the comments? Like right here in the comment chat. I'd like to try something. I'd like to share my screen. And just for anyone out there that's kind of new to crypto that hasn't done this before, I'm just gonna show you how to FOMO into a shit coin. No, I don't think this is a shit coin. I actually think it's a good project. We got a lot of good people in it, so I'm gonna buy a little bag, not a whole lot. I'm gonna buy a little bag of it, but we're gonna show you on stream how to do it. I don't think a lot of streamers do this, and I think it's one of the competitive edges we have over other influencers. We're more into the DeFi side of things, and we do like to teach you guys how to do this shit too. And we're not telling you what to do. We're not advising you what to do. Don't do what we do, but we're just showing you how we do it. You know, we're just educating. So don't copy what I'm doing, for Christ's sake. That's right. Don't copy me for sure.
Listen, like somebody that's been in crypto for a long time though, right? Somebody that's been in it for a while, they understand how the market moves. They understand the difference between meme coins, shit coins, altcoins. Like, you kind of lean into these shit coins to make a little bit of money when the market is kind of stagnant. You know what I mean? So like, do what you do for the OGs. The new guys, man, I like, dude, so many noobs get wrecked because they come in and they see that the vast majority is, you know, FOMOing into these fucking meme coins and these shit coins. And then they just lose, dude. Lose. So like, yeah, like Sierra's saying, man, you really have to just know your risk.
Yeah. Can you move us to the side real quick, Wes? Because I'm trying to explain how I'm doing this for someone that's new watching. Diogo says cool. We're gonna try to put me and Wes on the side. You guys can't really see the comment bar, but if you can't, you can read the comment bar on your screen. You see where Wes put under the Crypto Remora the contract address?
They can see it.
So the only thing I want to do there, right? I want to copy that bad boy. The exact contract address, and then I'm going to paste it into Jupiter. However, it's being a little stupid. It's not letting me copy it. I can't copy paste from this comment box, Wes. I don't know why it's not letting me do that. It's kind of dumb. That's an issue with the streaming software we're using, y'all. Don't this is not an operator error from that, but literally that complete address on the screen is the token contract address. That's what we're going to copy and paste into the top bar. Wes, the other thing I could do, maybe I could open up X. Can you send that to the alpha chat real quick? Maybe I'll just copy it from there.
I've already sent it.
All right, let me go into messages.
I'm going to pull up, let them cook too while you're doing that.
All right, so yeah, I'm going to just copy this. Right click, copy. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys can see on the screen now, if you could see. I'm going to go up to this one here. I'm going to put Solana up top because what I'm doing is I'm using Solana to we're going to trade Solana for let them cook, and this is the paste bar. So when I'm going to right click and paste, copy paste, you know, very easy. Pasting the contract address, there it goes. You see it show up. Let them cook. I'm going to freaking copy that. Okay, you can see I have 0.20 Solana, big balling over here. So I'm gonna go zero.
This is Sierra's way of justifying FOMO and into cook. He's teaching you guys how to do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. If I'm getting in this motherfucker, y'all gonna get in this motherfucker too. All right. So 0.5. Let's see. That's $8 worth. Let's go, dude.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go. I'm gonna buy, and now I put in 0.05 Solana, and it tells you how much money that is. It's $8.96. For y'all that don't know, Jupe.ag swap Solana cook. Let me just post that into the comment, and we rugged, and it's gone. That's the website. So now we're gonna hit swap, and it's this optimizing slippage. That's kind of new. It'll pull up your Phantom wallet. It'll ask you to confirm, and it's taking a second here. We're gonna just let them cook. That's how much I'm getting. Confirm, and bada bing, bada boom. I've got let them cook in my freaking Phantom wallet. Processing confirmed, and it went to 0. And it's gone. But no, I just wanted to do that short little thing because you know what? When I first got into crypto, I was dying for someone and the streamers and the people to show shit. Like, show me how to do it step by step. I want to see how to do this shit. And no one did it other than maybe Chico and Lark would kind of walk you through step by step, make step by step videos. And they were so helpful, man. And likewise, I'm going to show you real quick. See this little arrow up, down? You click that, and that's how you sell out of it. So if you say, shit, I got in that, I didn't want to do it, swap it back right away. Solana's less than a penny, but we're not going to do that. We're going to hold it. But now I'm a holder now of Cook. So let's see what it does. I just want to show you guys real quick on stream because we are into DeFi and we are degens, and this is how we do it.
This is how we do it. All right, let's see, dude. All right, you ready?
Let's pull it up. Let's go.
This is Cook.
This is what I just scooped, y'all.
This is what you just scooped. Matter of fact, we might even let's see. There he is. Is that you right there?
Hold on, let me add you to the stage.
894.
That's it, dude. 894. They took 2 cents on my trade. That's the trade showing right up on deck screener, y'all.
You got 1,638 Cook. Now, what you want to do is you want to find this wallet and see what else it's got in it, and
do the opposite of what. Hey, did I buy that? Did I buy that little perfect wick? Is that where we are right now? Because I'll take that if I bought right at that bottom of that wick by luck.
No, this is the daily chart. So
no, we're at the top. I bought the top as usual. That's all right.
But he showed you guys how to do it, and that's mainly what that was for.
Yeah, just to show you how to use Solana, how to use Jupiter. Jupiter's a good little swapper, man. I like Jupiter. I do. It was a little challenging in the beginning because it was like laggy, but it's turned out to be pretty good.
Crypto Homes. No, it won't. So you got to get a Phantom wallet or MetaMask wallet. Get you a Solana wallet. Trust Wallet also supports Solana. Wait, does MetaMask support Solana?
MetaMask does work on Solana now, dude. It does.
It?
Yeah, if you go to Jupiter and you hit Connect Wallet,
dude.
Yeah, if you oh, wait a minute. See, this is recently used. I think it works on Jupiter. I would recommend Phantom Wallet.
Yeah, Phantom Wallet.
Crypto Homes, dude. Phantom Wallet is the easiest to use. It's just the best for anyone just getting into Solana. Use Phantom, bro. It just works great with all the apps. It's been around the longest. It's friendly, easy to use. It's got a good layout. It's oh shit. All right. No drink? I'm just kidding. Can you hand me a tea out of there? For real?
Don't do it.
Sorry, y'all. The maid's coming in. Thank you. I'm just playing. I'm not
about to die on camera, dude. Don't do that. Don't die, man.
Sorry, y'all. The maid just came in and shit. Rosalita. The sheet.
Shut up, man. You are stupid.
I'm just
so yeah, Sierra scalped the top
of Cook. True degen. Let's go.
Let's go. All right. So, but honestly, man, look at this shit, dude. We were talking about Cook. Look, this is where we were, Siri. Boom, because I drew that line, and I was like, maybe it'll keep going up and up. Look, can you see that? Or do you not want to see it?
Blue trend
right here, dude.
Oh yeah.
That's where we were talking about it on the show. Look,
nice.
That bitch done.
Nice.
All right, but still though, I think the first time we talked about it, it was like 300,000. Now it's at 5.5 million. This is a slow cooker, dude. This thing is just gonna do exactly this for the next couple of months, man. So I don't know, man. I mean, like honestly, I don't think it's a bad time to buy right now. I mean, yeah, it's 5.5 million, but this group, like these guys talking to them, man, they're gonna hold until it's like 100 million, dude, and then they'll start taking profits. So Cook is definitely one to watch for sure.
All right, dude. I'm just hyping up the chat real quick on Crypto Remora Twitter. I'm trying to get Shred all pumped up when he wakes up.
Yeah, Phantom Wallet, man. Phantom Wallet is the way to go. And also Phantom apparently they're going to be doing an airdrop too. So
man, we've been waiting on that shit for 4 years.
For a long
bro, I better get rich on a Phantom airdrop, bro. I've been using that shit since 2020.
Yeah. Let's look at Turbo, man. Let's look at Turbo because this is one that's been trending. Is Turbo. see. I'm pretty sure I could pull it up on here.
Turbo. What is it? What is that?
That is a Solana meme coin that's been pretty hot lately. No. Turbo. Which one is it? Wait, is it Solana? No, maybe it is Ethereum. Wait. I'm confused now.
Sorry, y'all. I got to eat something real quick. I'm starving.
Let's go to Dex Screener. There you are. Is it Solana or is it ETH? Holmes. I can't remember, dude. I thought it was Solana. No, it's Ethereum. Okay. Let's take a look at it. Damn, bro. Let's go. Holmes, are you in on this, dude?
It's on ETH.
Yeah, it's on ETH.
What you got now?
Quick little retest of the 0.5. Yeah, Holmes, we just retested the 0.5. It could come down a little bit more, but if we get past that 0.007 level, that 0.618, fuck, dude, you're probably going to a new all-time high. What say you, Sierra?
I mean, chart looks good. I would wait for a pullback before I got in, just because it looks like you're forming that perfect, you know, second top, and then maybe come back down. I would wait to come back down to that that level, right? Yeah, right around there, anywhere in between there. I would wait for a pullback to get back into it, but it looks fairly strong, dude. I don't know what that coin is, but the chart looks pretty good.
So it's 478 million. 478 million market cap, liquidity 809,000. No lock liquidity. But yeah, I mean, it's 478 million. This it could possibly pull back to 0.006. But like, if you've been holding it since here, take profits along the way. Like, every time you make a new high, take a little bit of profits, and every time you dip, just start with that initial money. You know what I mean? Like, if you put $100 in back here, and then it doubles, you got 200. Take $100 profit, and then just keep rolling with that initial, or with that fucking profit money.
I just posted, Holmes, I just posted the link to Phantom Wallet there. If you click on that link, that's a safe link. It'll take you over to Phantom to download for Windows, Chrome, or your browser, whatever you use. And just download your Phantom Wallet. And then I don't know if you have how you transfer, but if you're on Coinbase, Crypto.com, Gemini, any of those, you just buy some Solana, and then you're going to send Solana straight over to your Phantom Wallet. I'm pretty sure you already know how to do all that because you're buying ETH coins and shit. You probably know what you're doing with that. If you don't and you have any questions, let us know. We will
gladly help, dude.
We will help you. But that's the way to go, dude. Send some Solana over there to your wallet, and then just play around, dude. The good thing about Solana is you can't really fuck up. Like, shit is so cheap that if you send $20 of Solana to your wallet, you could sit there for hours, bro, and just trade shit coins with $20. Like, you could make $1 swap, $2 swap, $3. Like, am I lying, Wes? Solana is so fucking cheap. So just take $20 and play around. Get familiar with the app. Get familiar with Jupiter. Get familiar with Phantom. You can even swap within your Phantom wallet. So if you start, if you start buying coins and you got a bunch in there, you don't even have to use Jupiter. The Phantom wallet itself will let you swap within the wallet. So I don't have much in my wallet, but I'm gonna share the screen anyway just to show you what I'm talking about. But like I said, a little bit goes a long way with Solana. Like, $20, you could literally just play around all day. Like my WEN token here, this is the cat meme coin I'm in. It just pumped $7.28. So I'm gonna show you, this is a good little thing to do too. See the little sideways arrows? So I'm gonna swap, select WEN. I'm putting WEN up top, And what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to take some profits. So now that I'm $7 in the green, I'm going to click USDC on the bottom. I got 391,000 of them, whatever. Let's say, I don't know, 1,000 of them. Should be a couple bucks, maybe. Not even 16 cents. Let's do a little more than that. Let's do 10,000 of them. So 10,000 of them will be $1.62. That's still not quite what we want to take. So we'll do 30,000. I'm not doing more than that because I like holding this token. But basically, that's taking $4 profit out of my 7 that I'm up. So I'm going to put that into a stable coin unless we get it, just in case we get a dip here. Hit review, swap it out. So Phantom Wallet, I'm swapping within the Phantom Wallet. I'm not even using Jupiter right now. And that's how quick it is. It's done. Boom. So that's it. You can see where I just swapped. And so you got your worthless NFTs in this folder.
I want to see all your rugs. I want to see
look
all
at
your
these.
rugs.
I'm still holding these NFTs, bro. Still holding them. I still like the artwork on most of them. I mean, I'd let this one go. I'd let this go.
Are you subscribed to Drip?
No, I've been seeing a lot about that though.
Yeah, Drip is cool, man. It's like these new and upcoming artists. Every now and then you'll get like, you know, a popular artist, but they'll like send different NFTs to your inbox, and some of them are like, most of them are like really, really dope, dude.
Oh, that's cool, man. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Those NFTs have been sitting in that wallet since 2020.
Oof.
I don't know if they're going to do anything, but at least I still hold them.
Hey, Crypto Holmes, do you have a Twitter account, an X account? If you do, man, just let us know. Let us know what your at is, so we can chat a little bit. I was looking for something. What the hell was I looking for here? Oh, I was going to share the live stream.
All right, so non-playable coin. While you're pulling that out, I'm going to share the screen one more time. And pull up MPC, dude. The little coin that could.
No X account. Okay.
Here it is, Wes. Once it stops loading. Look at that. Look where it lined up. Look where it lined up, Wes.
Got in at this like
we're getting laggy here.
Dude. Perfectly.
This thing. Look at the picture. Look how it lines up with the chart. Come on, man.
Awesome,
Come on, man.
Awesome. Dude, the NPC meme just like took off, dude.
So yeah, Elon's been saying MPC, and everyone's been talking MPC.
Yeah.
I followed Chico Army, man, and Chico said
early. This is the earliest
in on this
project. Yeah.
I didn't wait till 2 hours after I watched and jumped in it. So yeah, these cats have been around since 2017 on doing Ethereum projects. These are not noobs to crypto. So these are like OG Ethereum users that actually developed this and put this out. So, and that's what Chico's biggest selling point on this coin was. And Chico told you about it right here. Like the night Chico put the video out, it was like right here. I think I bought in, the first time I bought in was around here. And then I rode this wave up to here, and I was like, damn, this thing's hot, you know? And I sold half of my bag, and then we got that little dip. I'm like, oh, I'm glad I sold. And then it went whoop, when it kept going back up. I was like, damn it, I should have held. And so that was a lesson learned. I just said, fuck it, I'm not selling no more. I'm gonna hold it and wait and sit on this thing. But yeah, I'd like to see this thing go up towards 10 cents. I think it will. I think it'll go even higher when the bull run really hits. I think it's going much higher.
Yeah.
Crypto Homes, it is good to get an X account if you're into crypto, just because that's where a lot of the degens are hanging out. If you have a Facebook and all that shit, that's cool. But X is where crypto lives. I mean, that's where all the crypto heads hang. So if you're really into it, I would suggest doing it just to get into a couple groups and hang around other people that are into crypto. It's always good. I don't know if you're using Facebook like that or what you're using, or if you're not using nothing, but X is definitely good. to get the alpha, like GMB saying, tons of alpha on X. You're not really going to find it on Facebook, but I don't know. That's just me. I haven't been on Facebook so long, so don't
Oh,
listen to
dude,
me.
I
I don't
don't.
even know what the hell I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
just
if
don't like
Facebook likes to go.
Zuckerberg. So.
Yeah.
I would assume it's not old boomer book. If you're trying to do crypto, X is definitely where it's at, and it's where we stream. So
Yeah,
you could link up in the alpha chat too with us.
that is right. That is correct.
All right, Wes, you had something else pulled up.
Yeah, you wanna? I think I'm done with charts, dude. Not unless somebody else has got something. Yeah, for sure. Loads of and Discord, man. Sierra hates Discord, but there is a lot.
I know there's a use for it though. I know there's a use for it. I just hate
100%.
the. I don't hate the interface. I just think it's too complex. There's too much shit going on. Am I still sharing my screen? Look at Wojak real quick.
Yeah.
So I still have this. Look at this. Look at this, Wes. Look at where the finger is. And I have not moved this one, y'all. For real. I did not move this before stream or nothing. Look where it hit. Look at that.
That pullback.
Look where we are right now. So this is about as close as you can get on a guess. So the next time I go on ETH, I'm definitely scooping some more Wojak. I like this coin. I think it's got a lot of potential. Could you come back down here? Yeah, you could, but that move would only be, let's see, measure that percent move. Let's say you did have a pullback from here and you kind of, oh, don't move, you bitch. Let's say you had a pullback and you kind of, rode this line. What is that? Negative 23% down for an altcoin? That ain't shit. Versus the upside, what would the upside be when you, let's say you had the 20% pullback and then you go up to the top of this wave again? You're looking at 168% move from the bottom. So a downside of 20%, an upside of 168%. Risk to reward ratio right there is pretty good. So
yeah,
if Wojak does pull back, I'm definitely going to scoop in and get some, because that's a good entry, and it's a strong meme, and it's still early. What is the market cap? 81 million. So still very early for this meme. It's got the flavor of NPC. It's got the community behind it. So it's a good little memer.
Yeah, for sure.
What else you got? Oh, Saychain real quick. Saychain had a nice little pump, dude, back up to 40 cents. Not back up to 50 cents yet, but I'll take it. This thing was down. This thing got beaten to the ground on the last drop. There it is right there. I'm going to have a breakout. But yeah, dude, this thing was down at 25 cents right here. So congratulations on any of the Say heads that bought at 25 cents and rode it up to 40. That's a nice little run.
Yeah, that is a nice little run.
Almost doubled your money. I think this thing's going to I think it's going to continue to roll up here, then maybe get one more pullback, and then you head back up to 60 cents. So that's good. Everything's looking good, man. We just got to see how the sentiment plays out with the rest of the market.
So
I'm sorry, with the rest of the week here with the ETFs.
Yeah. So Crypto Home said scooped up some. I've never heard of this. I don't even know how to pronounce it.
Crypto Home's a Say holder. Let's go.
Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce. I would look it up, man, and check it out, but I don't.
And I love y'all just because I'm saying I got my food sitting right here, and I'm just like sitting here like a dog, very well trained, not eating his food. I'm like, I'm not going to eat on stream, but I'm sitting right there watching it like this.
Oh, let's move on to some of this X stuff, man. You ready?
Let's go.
Go ahead and eat, man.
I want to sit here and eat on stream, man. It's just wrong. That's just wrong.
That is wrong, bro. That is.
It is. It's just wrong. I'm gonna contain myself.
All right, so I thought this was pretty interesting.
I'll sneak over here and get a bite every now and then.
This is Sailor on his anxiety in Bitcoin. I thought this was pretty good.
Well, Keith, like once I understood Bitcoin, I would go to bed with anxiety at night feeling short because I worried that somebody else would figure out what I'd figured out, and they would buy it all, and I wouldn't be able to buy anymore. And so once you get something and you look out decade or decades, the only issue is, how do I buy more of it?
Yeah.
Like, well, Keith.
Yeah, man. Michael
He's such a
Saylor.
bull.
He is he is a beast, dude. I love this guy, man.
Perma bull.
Love him. Let's see. Oh, this was a good thread. So we're gonna have, all these different trends or whatever. RWAs. A lot of people are into RWAs. Looking to, there's going to be a lot that are very profitable, but this was a good thread by ArnDXT. I'm not sure. I don't know his name. But anyway, so it's pretty much breaking down. I would like to kind of, I might pin it or whatever, but it's just going through like the different RWAs. Yes, they're going to be, a good sector. It's going to be a big trend. We see all these institutions getting into it. But we haven't seen any like regulatory or any, clarity on the regulation front, right? So this is a good thread to really understand like the different restrictions. He's got, different offshore hubs, and then he goes into the ones that he likes. There's a list of them right here. So that would be like, dude, I'm going to check it out. Plume, they actually have their test net right now. So that's a test net you can get into and start messing around. Hopefully it's incentivized and you can make a little bit of money. But yeah, Landex, I've heard of Landex, Plume. A lot of these are still like really early that are compliant to regulation, or what we have of regulation. And yeah, just something to check out, man, if you guys are looking to get into some, real world assets. That's all. I didn't want to read this whole damn thing, dude. So yeah.
I wish I would have bought back in my wrap centrifuge. I really need to scoop some more of that shit.
Yeah.
That was one of the original freaking real world assets. Still is one of the top dogs. I see you've been kind of following Andrew with Scale too. I haven't jumped in as much as I need to, bro. How's that going?
Bro, I am so bullish on Scale right now, man. This was one that we picked up, or that I talked about back in fucking 2021. Like that was the first time that I bought. Was the beginning of 2021. It was like January 2021. Yeah. And like I put it to the side, the bull market was here and put it to the side. But ever since Andrew, ever since he went to Scale, dude, I've been DCAing into Scale like every week, dude. So yeah, gaming is huge on Scale. Gaming, like there's so many big names that are going to be using Scale Network. It's a gasless protocol. So very cheap to use. I want to get into more DeFi though. I haven't really found anything on Scale that is DeFi.
Speaking of which, we haven't forgot about you, GMB. Me and Wes talked before we got on stream. We are going to do our homework. It's just been a little time constraining on the Cardano wallet. So we're actually going to do that before Thursday's stream. So
I already have the wallet downloaded, got everything. I funded it and everything. So yeah, next step is just to get in there and start messing around on it. So,
and Crypto Homes, you say you have have you got the Milli token yet? And if not, let me show you. Wes, I'm gonna share the screen real quick. Oh shit. Hold on, my bad. Share screen. All right, Wes, I just want to show him this one real quick. On SayChain, this is Milli. This is a nice meme token. Just 5 zeros. This is right when I got into Dogecoin for the first time in 2019, 2020. Dogecoin was around this price, I believe, when I got my first entry. So if you want to talk about early for a bull run, this is and this is a good entry too. If you look at this thing's already bottomed out. It's already starting to come back up. You're getting a little correction. In my opinion, when the bull market comes back, I believe that just 5-minute TA, I'm going to say this level here. I'll say right about there. So let's say the bull run hits, ETF comes. Let's say you even come down a little bit first and you wait to get in. If we have this little run up to here on Milli, that's a 500%er, possibly. Don't take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. I'm not promising you this. I'm just saying if the market goes halfway correction from this last move, comes back, you're talking about a 500% run. This thing is at 5 zeros, market cap of $934,000. I mean, if you're on SayChain already, this is one of the biggest meme coins. So I would look into it for sure. I am a holder of this too. So I'm not shilling you something I'm trying to dump. I'm actually a holder. And I constantly DCA. When I go back into Say, this is the one I trade. This one in actual Say. Astroport's pretty good too. But just wanted to show you that. That's a cool little meme for SayChain.
All right. Is there anything else you want to go over?
It sucks because we start getting the late laggers coming in right when we stop streaming. We're gonna have to bump the stream up a little later on Monday.
We might have to.
Shit.
I was thinking about that earlier.
Like make it 1 o'clock or 2 instead of 12.
Yeah, I mean we might as well. So
we don't have to. I mean, we've been consistent at 12. You know, these people are just gonna have to get up earlier.
Yeah, it's something to think about, man. Something to think about for sure.
But that happens on our Thursday night stream too. We'll be streaming for a while, and then it seems at the end of the stream we get like a lot more people start pouring in. You know, it could be the algorithm doing that shit to us too, man. You don't know. But to wrap it all up in a bow, dude, this is a very big week. I think everything looks good on the charts. I think in the short term, even if you do get any kind of pullbacks, it's not going to be big enough to change what's going to happen. It's inevitable. And let's just see what the conference brings. Let's see what the ETF brings. Hopefully we get that, you know, good karma coming. We had bad karma with FTX. We had all this bad shit happening. You know, the market's due for some good news, y'all. So don't be overly bearish. Don't be overly bullish just yet either. But I'm more leaning on the bullish side, dude. The charts, everything Wes showed us on Lux Algo, the money indicator, money flow, the MACD. Even the MACD was kind of a lagging indicator. It was like, oh, it's kind of dragging, but that's more a lagging indicator, in my opinion. Everything was looking good, dude. The charts look great. So,
and then fundamentally, I mean,
everything's
we get our ETF tomorrow.
And the sentiment, dude, Bitcoin conference. I mean, everything's lining up, bro. If we get a dump this week, I would actually be more shocked. I would be like, damn, we actually dumped again, like for, you know, but that's what I'm betting, dude. I think we go up from here. I do. I think we go up. Yeah,
it's definitely possible, man. I mean, we could have already retested that 65 on the 4 hour and the 2 hour. There was that, you know, bearish divergence, but I mean, we could have already retested that 65 targets, you know, making new all-time highs. So, I mean, I feel good about it, man. Everything was good. Everything was good.
All right. If we ain't got nothing else, I'm gonna roll the credits. You want to say the outro?
Yeah, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thursday, we will be back Thursday, 7 o'clock EST. Make sure you're following us on all socials at the Crypto Remora. Make sure you're following Siri at Siri Crypto and myself at Crypto MacGyver. Much love to you guys. Until next time, peace out. GMB, Crypto Homes, all you guys, man. Thank you so much for being here.
Don't panic, sell your crypto, y'all. Hold your bags. Hold your motherfucking bags.
Love you guys, man. Oh, yeah, Diogo. Thank you, bro. Thank you for being here. See you guys Thursday.